The 2025 Ford F-150 STX with the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 sits in a rare sweet spot. It's one of the last naturally aspirated V8 half-ton trucks still available, blending old-school simplicity with modern technology. For many buyers, especially long-term owners, one question matters more than horsepower, styling, or infotainment screens. Will this truck last 200,000 miles? According to veteran technicians, fleet managers, and powertrain engineers familiar with Ford's Coyote platform, the answer is yes. But only if 7 critical factors are handled correctly. Miss even one, and the same engine that's famous for durability can quietly turn into an expensive disappointment. This isn't about hype or blind brand loyalty. It's about real-world ownership decisions that determine whether your 2025 F-150 STX 5.0 becomes a high-mileage success story or another truck traded away at 120,000 miles with problems brewing. Let's break down the 7 things that truly decide whether your F-150 reaches the 200,000-mile mark. 1. Oil quality and change intervals matter more than ever. The 5.0-liter Coyote V8 has a reputation for strength, but modern versions are far more sensitive to oil quality than early Coyotes from a decade ago. Ford engineers tightened internal tolerances, increased oil flow demands, and added more complex variable valve timing systems. That means oil isn't just lubrication, it's a structural component of reliability. Why experts say oil is the #1 factor. Master Ford technicians consistently point out that high-mileage Coyote failures almost always trace back to oil neglect. Common problems include cam phaser wear, excessive valve train noise, timing chain stretch, oil consumption complaints that worsen over time. While Ford may list extended oil change intervals, long-term owners aiming for 200,000 miles should not follow the maximum limits. The high-mileage rule professionals follow. Experienced engine builders recommend full synthetic oil only, changes every 5,000–6,000 miles, not 10,000. Using oil that meets Ford's exact 5.0 or approved specification. Trucks that hit 200,000 miles almost always have a documented history of frequent oil changes. Those that don't often develop issues long before 150,000. Number 2. Cold starts and warm-up habits quietly shape engine life. Cold starts are one of the most damaging moments in an engine's life, especially for high-compression V8s like the 5.0. When oil is cold, it flows slowly. Metal components haven't expanded to operating tolerances. Revving or loading the engine too soon accelerates wear that no oil change can undo later. What long-term owners do differently. Fleet managers who run Coyotes past 180,000 miles emphasize one simple habit. Drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes. That means no hard acceleration, no high RPM, no heavy towing when cold. It sounds minor, but technicians say this habit alone can dramatically reduce cam phaser wear and piston skirt scuffing over the life of the engine. 3. Transmission behavior directly affects engine longevity. The 2025 F-150 STX 5.0 is paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic. While the transmission itself has improved since its early years, how it behaves plays a huge role in engine health. The hidden connection, experts warn about harsh downshifts, gear hunting, and constant lugging at low RPM put abnormal stress on the engine. When the transmission struggles, the engine pays the price through increased heat, higher vibration loads, accelerated bearing wear. Technicians note that many engine problems are actually transmission behavior problems showing up as engine stress. What high-mileage trucks have in common? Owners who reach 200,000 miles typically keep transmission software updated, avoid aggressive throttle inputs at low speeds, service transmission fluid earlier than required. Smooth shifting isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting the entire drivetrain. 4. Cooling system discipline. Separate survivors from failures. Heat is the enemy of longevity. The 5.0-liter Coyote can tolerate abuse, but sustained heat breaks down seals, gaskets, and oil faster than almost anything else. Why cooling matters more in modern trucks. The 2025 F-150 packs more electronics, tighter engine bays, higher thermal loads. That means even small cooling system issues, like degraded coolant or a partially clogged radiator, can snowball into major engine wear. Expert advice that often gets ignored. Veteran Ford technicians recommend coolant changes earlier than the maximum interval. Regular inspection of hoses and radiator condition. Immediate attention to even minor overheating events. Engines that hit 200,000 miles almost never have a history of overheating, even once. 5. Driving style is a bigger factor than mileage. Two identical 2025 F-150 STX trucks can reach wildly different outcomes by 150,000 miles, even with similar maintenance schedules. The difference is how they're driven, what engineers and fleet managers agree on. Engines don't wear out from mileage alone. They wear out from load, heat, and stress cycles. High-mileage success stories typically involve smooth throttle inputs, consistent highway driving, minimal stop-and-go abuse, short trips. Aggressive acceleration and constant heavy payload use shorten engine life faster than most owners realize. The uncomfortable truth: a truck driven 25,000 highway miles per year may outlast one driven 10,000 miles in city traffic. Mileage is less important than how those miles are accumulated. 6. Fuel quality and detonation control shape long-term health. The 5.0-liter Coyote runs high compression, which delivers power, but also increases sensitivity to poor fuel. Why fuel choice matters more after 100,000 miles. Over time, carbon buildup on valves and piston crowns raises the risk of detonation. Low-quality fuel accelerates this process, especially under load. Experts point out that detonation damage doesn't always cause immediate failure. Instead, it slowly weakens piston rings, erodes bearings, increases oil consumption. By the time symptoms appear, the damage is already done. What long-term owners do differently. High-mileage F-150 owners often stick to reputable fuel brands. Avoid consistently running the lowest octane under heavy loads. Use periodic fuel system cleaning. These habits help maintain combustion stability deep into the truck's life. 7. Preventive maintenance beats reactive repairs every time. The final factor that decides whether a 2025 F-150 STX 5.0 hits 200,000 miles is mindset. Owners who succeed treat maintenance as prevention, not reaction, what experts see in high-mileage trucks. When technicians inspect F-150s with 180,000 to 220,000 miles, they often find small leaks fixed early, sensors replaced before failure, wear items addressed proactively. By contrast, trucks that fail early usually show patterns of deferred maintenance, waiting until warning lights appear. Why this matters with modern trucks. Modern engines rely on sensors, software, and precise control systems. A minor issue left unattended can trigger cascading failures that shorten engine life dramatically. The bigger picture. Why the 2025 F-150 STX 5.0 still has 200,000 mile potential. Despite the complexity of modern trucks, experts agree on one thing. The 5.0-liter Coyote remains one of Ford's most durable engines when properly cared for. Unlike turbocharged alternatives, it avoids high boost pressures, turbo heat stress, complex forced induction components. That simplicity gives it an inherent advantage for long-term ownership, if the owner respects the 7 factors that matter most. Final verdict. From experts, the 2025 Ford F-150 5.0 absolutely can reach 200,000 miles and beyond. But it's not automatic. According to technicians, engineers, and long-term owners, success depends on strict oil discipline, smart driving habits, cooling system care, transmission behavior awareness, fuel quality, preventive maintenance mindset. Do these things right, and the Coyote V8 rewards you with one of the longest-lasting half-ton trucks still available. Ignore them, and even this legendary engine won't save you from an early exit.